Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this banana split hat in Dress to Impress. So let's serve our sweet style with a twist. The banana split hat is here to slay in DTI. So this tutorial will show you exactly how to turn the hat into a runway-worthy look. Let me show you how you can create the hat. So first, just go to the hat rack in here and put on this beret hat. Change the color into this pattern so it will look like ice cream. And then here, put on this hat and change the color into yellow. So here I'm using this yellow color. You can use my hex code if you want to. And then I'll put on this sun hat. Change the color into the patterns, and the fur hat also in a pattern color. And here, go to the men's section and put on this hat, this one, and change the color into white, all of it. Okay, last one, to make it look like a cherry here, I'm going to put on this bow and toggle it into type 2, change the color into red, and now I'm going to use the adjustment feature so that it will going to go here, and I'm going to put it on top like this, and here you are done. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.